Salome Kihara depended heavily on wood as her cooking fuel for years until she acquired this more efficient stove, popularly known as Kuniokoa, meaning save the firewood in Swahili. The stoves are designed to burn wood efficiently, using less fuel, but they're expensive for most Kenyans. Kihara said she was lucky to get it at a price almost 80% less than the usual cost.
Nikaipata na 750.
I got it for about $7.50. I used to hear about how much it saves people money. Before then, I could not afford it because it was so expensive. So when I heard about the offer, I borrowed some money to buy it.
The maker of the stove, Burn Manufacturing, is using carbon credits to help lower the cost, which can run up to $70 in Kenya. Carbon credits are permits that represent 1 ton of carbon dioxide removed from the atmosphere. The permits can be earned by companies or individuals wishing to support the battle against climate change.
And we can quantify quite exactly, okay, before homes had our stoves, here's how much wood or charcoal they were burning. And then after they have a burn stove, here's how much wood or charcoal they're using. And we find that that's a reduction, again, somewhere in the range of like 50 to 70% reduction in fuel being used. And that allows us to also calculate the reduction in CO2 that's emitted.
Burn Manufacturing gets its credit from Gold Standard Carbon Registry in Switzerland, one of several registries that confirm that a company is taking steps to reduce carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Credits can then be sold and monetized. Burn Manufacturing uses the carbon credit funding to subsidize the cost of the stoves. A 2022 UN Environmental Programme report on carbon emissions says that although solutions to transform society's ways of using energy exist, collective multilateral action is required. Kenya lawmakers are now debating a bill which could set rules for carbon credit trading. In Kenya, carbon credit financing and markets are currently operating, but with much legal uncertainty. Authorities and carbon traders believe the proposed bill will put the carbon markets on firmer ground and encourage more innovations like the low carbon emitting stoves. Victoria Amunga, VOA News, Nairobi.